Tuition on the piano Musicboom Prestige study guides, the theoretical 20% and practical 80% musical material are accompanied by illustrated associations that help with interest to study the themes of the classes, as well as acquire new knowledge and skills with enthusiasm. Inspiration and adrenaline guaranteed. A well-designed modular instructional technology really helps you quickly learn to play the piano. By spending only 30 minutes every day and completing the exact sequence of the study material, you will soon accumulate the necessary knowledge base, which will provide you with invaluable help with independent music. Having actualized themselves, people take to the pianophilia, and that is gaining momentum worldwide. And it's not really surprising, since people willing to succeed in life understand that the music, being the food for a brain, actively develops both its hemispheres. The piano is the only instrument developing simultaneous and effective work of two brain hemispheres. Benefits of studying the course: effectiveness. By learning through the system of modular learning, you acquire knowledge step by step, gradual accumulation and multiplying them. Creativity. Due to the complex of received knowledge, you will learn to create your musical masterpieces, which will soon fill you with wild energy and bring a lot of dividends. Very often people are uncertain of being able to learn playing the piano independently and professionally. They don't expect that they could realize that they learn not a dream to acquire the skill and even being able to teach others. Since the advent of the new Musicboom Prestige piano course, studying became publicly available. We had worked for many years to enable millions of people all over the world to sit down to the musical instrument boldly and confidently, not having a special talent on the first sight, and feel like one with it. Doing it willingly and easy at all ages, and not being shy, or while not going through their precious time and expense of having a traditional studying. Just the Musicboom Prestige discovery opens a new world for you, the world of possible unbelievable internal and external changes in you. Additional information you can get on our website. Take the advantage of Musicboom Prestige, for it's created especially for you. Good luck and keep playing! helps you quickly learn to play the piano.